Hello, traders. This is Rich from tradesight. This is a look at the market leading stocks for the coming session. This is going to be for Friday, October 3rd, 2014. We don't have any signals here on the Nasdaq sector, as you can see. There are a couple of volume bumps, so we are definitely seeing some good volume. Netflix had a really big day today, 2.5% above the day's opening, and really strong finish above the day's VWAP, up more than 1% above the day's VWAP. But again, in the Nasdaq patch, no real signals, which a lot of times is pretty typical going into a big number. Tomorrow's number is going to be the non-farm payroll number. So more times than not, you don't go in with a lot of signals. You go in with kind of just everybody with things where they need them. So here are the financials. Just one signal here. It's Visa. It's an upside contra candle. We've got a couple of volume bumps to take a look at where we're going to see some extra activity on the charts. But again, fairly light day as far as the signals go, that we are seeing some volume and definitely seeing some shares changing hands. As far as the energy patch goes, LNG was really weak today. Not quite an open close deviation, but you can see the volume there. CHK was in motion, Chevron was in motion, Rig and Schlumberger both had excellent volume. Oil got down well below $90 today and had a rebound day, closed up above 91. So we could definitely see some potential for a reversal. So keep an eye on the energies for tomorrow. Generals, a little bit better to the buy side. We've got a few contra candles here to the upside. No big deviations, a couple of volume bumps here. The Comcast has a volume bump to go with it, and so does Dow Chemicals. Those definitely could be interesting for tomorrow after the number is released. Housing, Hovnanian had a strong close, 2.5% above the day's open, but is on just so-so volume. Toll Brothers had a downside CPS on good volume, so that might be one to track for tomorrow. American Airlines, the airlines were one of the big laggards today. American was real weak, trading more than twice the typical volume, and went out with a downside CPS condition. In the commodities, good volume here, upside signal in double G. That's kind of mitigated by a contra candle on the same day, which is highly unusual. And you've got a contra candle in U.S. steel. Keep an eye on that. That might want to hang on to a key level of that 37.50, so that could be a better player for tomorrow. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.